Want to know how to create an account in Google One? So basically, creating an account in Google One is same as creating a Google account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it if you are new to it and if you want to create a new account. So let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you should be under a default Gmail account if you have logged in on your Android. And on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. You can just simply select that and then select add account. So now once you're under add account, you should be seeing Google right here. You can just simply select that. So now it should check your info. You can just simply verify yourself. And once you have verified, in order to create a new account is super simple. Here you can see create account right here on the bottom. Just simply select that. Select for my personal use and then enter your first name, your last name, select next, and then your gender, your day, month according to your want. Select next, and then you can just simply choose any email that you want. Select next, and now just simply create your password. Now once that is done, you can just simply agree to their terms and conditions and you should automatically be logged in and you should be good to go with creating a new account in Google One. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.